Yep.
Hey,
What's going on?
now this has nothing to do with what happened today.
Huh?
Can you not
Huh?
hear me?
You gotta speak up a little bit. It's kind of low.
I said this had nothing to do with happened today, but it's something I've been wanting to ask. Um, so you were saying that. Well, I'm just paraphrasing. You were saying that like if a man um have homosexual relationships, that's being his lower self. So is it not the same with a woman being like a bisexual?
I never said that the man being having homosexual acts was his lower self. I never said that. I never said that. I never said that. I don't know who said that.
Okay. Like I might not be saying it exactly like you said, but I know you said that you were still attracted. I hope I'm not saying it wrong, but you may be
Mm.
still attracted to like a transgender woman, but you would not
Yeah,
saying like a homosexual activity because that was your lower self, and you wouldn't do that anymore. Like,
yeah. There's no sense. I'm just saying I'm not homosexual, but I'm not saying that being homosexual is in the lower self. I'm just saying I'm not homo. That's not my sexual preference.
oh,
You
okay,
feel what I'm saying? I was acting. I was acting like I was for money when in my lower self. But that's
okay,
something I did in my lower self. But
uh,
but
okay,
that's not something that is in the lower self. It's not my sexual preference. I was just manipulating the game because I could for money. You know what I'm saying? So and which was wrong because that wasn't my sexual preference. But most knew anyway. But it didn't matter. But yeah, I mean, yeah. As all women are bisexual. All women are bisexual. They naturally bisexual. Women are naturally bisexual.
Even, so okay, okay. So I thank you for your answer, but what you just said just made me have another question. Since I don't
Okay.
feel that I'm bisexual, are you saying all women are bisexual even if they don't feel like they're attracted to women?
Right. I said that because most women have been conditioned by the culture that they live in, and so they just go along with it. But I can ask you a question, and you can be honest with me right now. If I ask you a question,
Okay.
have you ever had any thoughts of being with another female at any time in your life ever?
Honestly, not that I can recall, none that I can recall.
All right. So, what era did you come up in? Did you
What
come up in
era?
church? Yeah, like what era did you come up in?
You said, did I come up in church?
Yeah.
My mother has never attended a church, but I have attended a church with my grandmom and my aunt, and probably like out of a good 3 years. I don't go to church now, but I'm not against church. I just don't see a reason to go.
Okay. Well, what era was you brought up in? Like, it depends on the person and what time and place they was brought up in and experience. But yeah, 73. It's been a time in your life that you fantasized about being with a woman, but you just don't remember it.
Yeah, that's why I said, because I was careful with my words. Not that I ever can recall. I can't say that
Yeah,
it's
every
something
woman
that
has
came
fantasized about being with another woman
across
sometime
my
in
mind.
her life.
Excuse me, I didn't hear you.
I said every woman has fantasized about being with another woman uh, in her life, in her lifetime. You know,
Hmm. Okay,
you know.
I can recall it in my adult years. But
But then you've
I'm
been
learning.
conditioned. Well, but you know, you've been conditioned after, you know, the culture conditions you. You start living in tune with society and going along with the norm. So it was norm. So, you know, that's what it is. But if you grew up in polygamy, it might have been different for you.
Yeah, and I didn't grow up around accepting my request. I know some people
Huh?
want to get on to what happened today.
What you
Just said,
say?
nah, nah, makes me smile. I said, I just appreciate you accepting my request. I'm always watching, but I've always wanted to ask that question and never called in. So I know some other people want to get to the Federatics being there, so I'm gonna get off now. Thank you so much.
All right. I love myself.